Good morning, children. Today in this class I am going to explain about some more reasons to break out the World War I. In the previous class we have discussed about some reasons regarding to break out the World War I, that are aggressive nationalism, imperialism and secret alliances between the countries. Those are the some reasons to break out the World War. And now in this class I am going to explain about some more reasons and immediate cause of World War I. Okay, that are, the first one is militarism. Second one is Balkan politics. Finally, immediate cause. These are the reasons to break out the World War among the Britain, Russia and Germany. Okay, now let us see the topic militarism. In the 20th century beginning, all the countries thought that militarism is the best way to resolve the problems and to secure the countries from other countries. Okay, in the beginning of 20th century, all the countries thought that militarism is the best way to solve the problems between the countries, and it is a highly, with the help of militarism they could secure their countries. That's why they increasing the militarism concept in their countries. In the European countries at the starting of 20th century, militarism was very high due to resolve the problems and to secure them. They are thought that it is the best way. Okay, in this militarism, in the context of militarism, there are three things, that are, the countries build the massive blocks of armies, massive standing armies. They are increasing. They are increasing massive standing armies in their countries. And the second one is, they increase the armed weapons. And the third one is, they increase the weapon developed industries. Okay, if you see, these are the three concepts which are in the context of militarism. Militarism means it is increasing the militaries, massive standing armies. It means the countries was increasing the armies in their countries to protect themselves, and armed weapons to protect from the other countries. They are building armed weapons with the help of armed industries. Armed weapon developed with the help of weapon developed industries. Okay, these are the three main things. Okay, in between 1800 and 14 to 1900, these countries, the countries which are belong to allied countries and alien or triple entity countries or triple alliance countries, that are Germany, Russia, Austria, Hungary, Britain, Italy. Those are the countries. They are increasing their expenditure on the militarism was tripled. The amount that was expended on the militarism, to growth of militarism, they are increasing their expenditure about 3 times. Okay, from 1814 to 1900, The expenditure on military is about 132 million pounds to it is about 397 million pounds. It increases to 397 million pounds. Okay, it can shows the how the countries are showing interest towards the militarism. Okay, now let us see the Balkan politics. In this Balkan politics, in the Balkan Peninsula, there are so many sects and there are so many languages people are living in this Balkan Peninsula. In this Balkan Peninsula, there are different types of sects of people and different types of languages people are living in this Balkan Peninsula. But these are all controlled, these are all ruled at the time of 19th century or at the beginning of 20th century was ruled by Ottoman Empire, Ottoman Turkey Empire. These are ruled by Ottoman Turkey. After the fall of this Ottoman Turkey in Balkan, after fall of this Ottoman Turkey Empire in the Balkan Peninsula, the 6 developed countries, it means Russia, Austria, Britain, Germany, Italy and Hungary. These are the countries are trying to get the supremacy over these Balkan Peninsula. But finally, Russia and Austria and Hungary, Turkey, these are the countries had controlled the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea for a long time. Okay. After the fall of Ottoman Empire in this Balkan Peninsula, the major developed countries that are Russia, Austria, Britain, Germany, that are trying to get supremacy over this Balkan Peninsula. But finally, however, the Russia and Turkey, these are the countries are having the control over the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea for a long time. And during the time, at this time, the Austria suppresses the Serbians in this Bosnia. Okay, Austria during the same time, Austria suppresses the Bosnians, Serbo-Bosnians. Suppresses Serbians, Serbs. Okay, Serbs. These are one sect of people who are living in the Bosnia. Okay, at this time, Austria suppresses Serbs in Bosnia. Okay, who are against the Austria rule in the Bosnia, that are suppressed by the Austrian armies. Okay. This was happened in the 1914. Okay, due to this suppression, it leads to the immediate cause of World War I. Okay, now let us see how it was became as the immediate cause of World War I. Okay, after suppressing the Serbians in Bosnia, they are cool for some days, but one Serb who is living in one Bosnian Serb assassinated the Prince of Austria-Hungary on June 28th in 1914. On June 28, 1914, a Serb, he assassinated the Prince of Austria. Assassinated means he killed brutally the Prince of Austria. Okay. Due to this assassination, the Austria asked a proper explanation about this assassination. The Serbia. Austria asked the proper explanation about the assassination. But the Serbians did not give the proper explanation for the assassination. It was done by the Serbian. Okay. Due to this improper explanation by the Serbians, the Austria immediately declared the war on the Serbia. Okay. On July 28th, 1940, Austria declared war on Serbia. Okay. This is the immediate cause of the World War One. If you see, on June 20th, 1914, the Serbian who assassinated or who killed the Prince of Austria-Hungary. That's why the Austria asked proper explanation about this assassination for Serbians, but the Serbia had not given the proper explanation about this assassination. Okay, due to that, the Austria had declared the war on July 28th, 1940. Okay, this was the immediate cause to break out the World War. Okay, now let us see what happens after declaring a war on Serbia by Austria. Here, if you see, Austria declared war on Serbia. Immediately, on behalf of Serbia, the Britain, Russia, and France are jumps into the war. On behalf of Serbia, Britain, Russia, and France were immediately jumps into the war and fought against the Austria. Okay, on behalf of Austria, Germany and Italy were jumped into the war. Okay, this was the immediate cause of the broken out of the World War One. Okay, it was really a world war. From China, Japan to all the countries are participating in this World War. Okay, in 1917, due to internal revolution, the Russia withdrawn from the war. After 1917, in 1917, the US also joined along with these countries. US also, United States of America also joined the war on behalf of allied countries. Okay, these are called as allied countries: Britain, Russia, and France. These countries are called as allied countries, and these are called as Austria, Germany, and Italy are called as Central Powers. Central Powers are Axis countries in the war. Okay, in 1917, the German troops brutally sunk the commercial ship of US, that is Lusitania. The commercial ship was sunk by the German troops in 1917. In 1917, the German troops sunk the US commercial ship in this war. That is Lusitania in 1917. Due to this sunk by the German troops, the US had controlled the entire Central Powers immediately. The US controlled and got the victory. Due to this control by the US, the Allied powers got the victory in 1918. Finally, in 1918, these Allied countries got victory. Okay, finally, we can conclude that the World War I is happened between 1914 to 1918. This is about the World War I. Okay, in the next class, we will discuss about how the country is after, how the world countries after the World War I. Okay, thank you children.